Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change wallpaper in Infinix Note 12. But before we continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, firstly that you have to do, you just have to tap and press for a second in this home screen in the empty space like this here, or you can also do it here. And now here at the bottom you will see a view option. Just tap on the wallpapers if you want to change the wallpaper. Now you can slide it to the left like this until here you can see more, and just tap on it. And here's the internal wallpaper, so you can choose it here, or here you can also choose the photo or the pictures on your gallery. So because here I don't have any photo or pictures, so I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna choose this one for example. Now tap on apply. In this pop-up you can choose this wallpaper you want to use as your lock screen here, your home screen, or both. For example, here I'm gonna change my wallpaper from the lock screen, and when you go back to this page, which is already changed. So here I'm gonna go back first. I'm gonna turn it off, and as you can see, the wallpaper in my lock screen is already changed. So yeah, just it guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.